Ever dreamt of financial freedom? Maybe it's traveling the world on Bitcoin, or finally buying that dream gadget you've been eyeing. But how do you actually use Bitcoin if it's just sitting on an exchange? Well, that's where sending Bitcoin comes in. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Kraken, a popular cryptocurrency exchange, to answer a burning question: can you send Bitcoin with Kraken? Buckle up, crypto enthusiasts, because we're about to unlock the secrets of sending your hard-earned Bitcoin. The power of sending Bitcoin. Before we delve into Kraken's capabilities, let's understand why sending Bitcoin is such a game-changer. Unlike traditional currencies, Bitcoin operates on a decentralized network, meaning no bank or central authority controls it. This translates to freedom, the freedom to send your Bitcoin anywhere in the world, peer-to-peer, without relying on intermediaries. This opens a door to a whole new world of possibilities. Imagine sending money to friends and family across borders quickly and securely, or using Bitcoin for online purchases at stores that accept it. It's a revolutionary concept that empowers individuals and disrupts the traditional financial landscape. Kraken, your crypto Kraken. Now, let's get back to the main event, Kraken. Established in 2011, Kraken boasts a long-standing reputation as a reliable and secure cryptocurrency exchange. It offers a wide range of cryptocurrencies beyond just Bitcoin, catering to a diverse group of investors and traders. So, the million-dollar question: can you send Bitcoin with Kraken? The answer is a resounding yes. Kraken allows you to easily send your Bitcoin to any valid Bitcoin address. This could be the address of another exchange, a friend's wallet, or even a merchant that accepts Bitcoin payments. Unveiling the sending process. Sending Bitcoin with Kraken is a straightforward process, but let's break it down step by step for ultimate clarity. 1. Log into your Kraken account. First things first, you'll need to access your Kraken account. Make sure you have a verified account for a smooth sending experience. 2. Navigate to your Bitcoin wallet. Once logged in, locate your Bitcoin wallet. This is where your Bitcoin holdings reside. 3. Initiate a withdrawal. Within your Bitcoin wallet, you'll find the option to initiate a withdrawal. Click on that button and prepare to unleash the Kraken. 4. Enter the recipient's address. Here comes the crucial part. You'll need to enter the recipient's Bitcoin address. This is a unique string of characters that identifies their Bitcoin wallet. Double-check the address for accuracy. Sending Bitcoin to an incorrect address can be a permanent loss. 5. Specify the amount. Now, decide how much Bitcoin you want to send. Enter the amount in Bitcoin or the equivalent in your preferred fiat currency. 6. Review and confirm. Kraken will provide a summary of your transaction details, including the recipient's address and the amount you're sending. Double-check everything one last time before hitting that confirmation button. 7. Security measures. Depending on your security settings, Kraken might require additional verification steps like two-factor authentication for added security. 8. Transaction processing. Once confirmed, Kraken will process your Bitcoin withdrawal. The processing time can vary depending on network traffic, but it's generally quite fast compared to traditional bank transfers. Fees and considerations. There are a few things to keep in mind when sending Bitcoin with Kraken. The exchange charges a small fee for withdrawals, which typically varies based on the network congestion. It's always a good idea to check the current withdrawal fees before initiating a transaction. Additionally, make sure the recipient has a valid Bitcoin wallet that can receive your funds. Sending Bitcoin to an incompatible address will result in lost coins, so be cautious when entering the recipient's address. Beyond sending, the Kraken ecosystem. While sending Bitcoin is a core functionality, Kraken offers a much wider range of features. You can trade various cryptocurrencies, stake your holdings to earn passive income, and utilize advanced charting tools to analyze market trends. The final verdict: unleashing your crypto potential. Kraken empowers you to take control of your Bitcoin and explore the vast potential of the crypto world. With its intuitive sending process and robust features, it's a compelling option for both beginner and seasoned crypto enthusiasts. So, unleash the Kraken and explore the possibilities. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.